So check it out. And then there were 4. I've got all 4 of my main lines now hooked up and wired. I put foam underneath each one to try to quiet the noise down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in the sides here with ballast. So that'll fill them. I think that'll make them look pretty nice. And also, I had the idea of putting my junior signal bridge here. I painted it was pretty rusty, and I rewired it. But it only signaled 2 trains, and I've got it over 3 tracks. So I decided to try putting another Marx semaphore, just taking the top piece off and putting it up there, and I added some green and red LEDs. I think it came out looking pretty cool. So I'm going to walk over to my transformers. They're on the other side. I thought this would be a nice, better angle. And of course, I also have a 2029 that I just bought from a friend in smoke unit. The element was bad, so I had to replace that. But other than that, it runs pretty good. And of course, I got my 260E that I repaired recently, and the other 2 that I've been running, the Mopac and the KD NW2. So here we go. We'll take it for a spin. So we pick the camera up and kind of walk around here a little bit. It's great to have this wired so that there isn't any voltage drop. Alright, we'll walk around here. stop them. But all tracks are running really smooth. I'm really happy with my setup. And the smoke unit works really great in that 2029. It's interesting that that was the first one that they put a traction tire on. I think it's the only Adriatic that they put a traction tire on rather than the magnet traction. So anyway, so this is how far I've gotten, and I plan on wiring up some more things and start adding some buildings pretty soon. And I want to make an inner loop to run all my accessory cars. So keep watching, and thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.